Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to disable biometric on Sui Wallet. To disable biometric on Sui Wallet is super easy. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet app from your mobile device and sign in. Once you're inside the home page for Sui Wallet, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the wallet settings page where you'll need to tap on Require Biometrics or PIN. Go ahead and toggle off the button right next to unlock your wallet and click on Yes to disable biometric from your Sui Wallet account. If you want to disable the biometrics while confirming transactions as well, you can also toggle off the next button right next to confirm transactions and click Yes. But remember that requiring biometrics will save you and your account from unauthorized access even if your device is unlocked. So we strongly recommend you to enable biometrics on your wallet. But in this case, that is how you can easily disable biometrics on Sui Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.